Good morning, children. Now this is 6th class social studies. This is the lesson Kingdoms and Empires. 8th lesson. What is that, children? Kingdoms and Empires. So we completed this lesson. Just now I want to explain to you once again the brief matter of this lesson. Look at in this lesson we already discussed about main Mauryan dynasty, Gupta dynasty and South Indian dynasties. Okay, children? One is Mauryan dynasties, second one is Gupta dynasty. Next to in South India, how many dynasties ruled? 1, 2, 3, 4. I read to you: Satavahana, Ikshvakas, Pallavas and Chalukyas. So these dynasties ruled in South India, children. Okay? In North India, main kingdoms are two. What are that? Mauryan dynasty, Gupta's dynasty. In South India, 1, 2, 3, 4. These four dynasties are important. Satavahanas, Ikshvakas, Pallavas and Chalukyas. Okay, children? Now I want to explain the first one in North India. What is the first one in North India? Mauryan dynasty, children. So this Mauryan dynasty ruled from 322 to 187 BC. Are you understood, children? Next one, who is the founder of this Mauryan empire? Chandragupta was the founder of this Mauryan empire. He established the kingdom with the help of Kautilya. Okay, so they established this kingdom in North India. Okay, children, who was the founder? Chandragupta. Who helped that one? Kautilya. Next one, their capital is from Pataliputra. What is that? Pataliputra. Next one, children, here Kautilya wrote one book. Okay. Next one, Megasthenes also wrote one book. Look at Indica. What is that book? Indica. Kautilya, the famous book is Arthashastra. What is that? Arthashastra. Here, two important men, they wrote two books. First one is Kautilya, second one is Megasthenes. Okay, children? Megasthenes wrote Indica, Kautilya wrote Arthashastra. Among these kings, Ashoka was the famous king in Mauryan Empire because he planted many trees by the roadsides. He set up hospitals for the mankind, human being and also animals. Okay, children? Next, he followed Dhamma. Dhamma means Dharma. Okay, 5 principles are there in that Dhamma. Next one, he felt very sorry when he saw the war at Kalinga. Many soldiers died, many soldiers wounded. So when Ashoka saw this situation, he decided not go to war, not kill the human being. So he want to win through Dhamma. That is why he stopped wars. Okay, children? Next one, after independence, we took the line capital, which is already implemented by Ashoka in his Dhamma. Okay, children? So that is about the Mauryan kingdom or Mauryan dynasty, which was ruled in North India. Second, in North India, after the fall of Mauryan dynasty, we can see Gupta dynasty. So this Gupta dynasty ruled between 319 to 543 centuries. Okay, children? They also established in North India. So they ruled 500 years. How many years? 500 years. Next one, the founder here, Chandragupta, was the founder of Gupta. After Chandragupta II also came as ruler. Next one, they also ruled from Pataliputra. Pataliputra is their capital. Next one, these Chandragupta II defeated in north 12 kingdoms or kings, in south 12 kingdoms. So he extended the Gupta Empire, a vast one. Why? Because he defeated in north some kingdoms and in south some kingdoms. Next one, he appointed in his court Navaratnas. They are very famous. Among Navaratnas, Aryabhatta, Charaka, so they are very important one. Next, they developed astronomy. What is that? Astronomy. They calculated the stars movements, planets, etc. Next, children, that age of Gupta is called Golden Age. What is Golden Age? Next to these two are the North Indian kingdoms ruled by famous persons. Here is Ashoka, here is Chandragupta II. In South India, 4 kingdoms are there, children. What are the kingdoms? Satavahanas, Ikshvakas, Pallavas, Chalukyas. Okay, children? So the first one is Satavahanas. They ruled the South Indian area, especially in our Andhra region. In our Andhra region, at Amaravati, from that. Okay, so they ruled 300 years. They occupied the land of Deccan Plateau area. We know what is the Deccan Plateau. Andhra, Karnataka, some part of Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Okay, children, so this is area. Next one, they are ruling from Amaravati. Dhanyakatka is their capital. So we know, children, after bifurcation, our former Chief Minister Mr. Chandrababu Naidu also announced our AP state capital Amaravati. Okay, children. Next to among Gautami Putra Satakarni is the famous one. After Polamavi, next to Yagnesri Satakarni. So these 3 rulers are important rulers in Satavahana kingdom, children. Next one, they patronized or they developed Hinduism and Buddhism. Okay, so on those days, one famous guru is there, Nagarjuna Acharya. Nagarjuna Acharya. What is his name? Nagarjuna Acharya. Okay, children. So this is about Satavahana kingdom, which is ruled by 3 famous kings in our South India area. Okay, children. Next kingdom is Ikshvaka. What is that? Ikshvaka. Here Satavahana kingdom capital is Dhanyakatka near Amaravati. Next, Ikshvakas ruled from Vijaypuri. Where is Vijaypuri? Now, do you know, children, Nagarjuna Sagar project in Nalgonda district? So from that area, they started ruling. Okay. Next one, they believed and they are telling, we belongs to Rama. Do you know Ramayana? Rama, Sita, Lakshmana are there. So their clan they are the descendants of Rama. Okay, children. Next one, here they developed Nagarjuna Konda and surrounding area. Next kingdom is Pallavas, children. So here Pallavas also they established their kingdom, some part of our Andhra Pradesh and some part of Tamil Nadu. So that's why I wrote here AP and Tamil Nadu. Okay, children. So these Pallavas also ruled from 300 to 900 centuries, children. Okay. Next one, their capital is Kanchipuram, children. So they developed architecture. They built many temples. Okay. So temples were famous even today. Okay, children. Next one, among them, Mahendra Varma is the famous one. So they believed Mahendra Varma was the founder of this Pallava kingdom. After Mahendra Varma, Narasimha Varma one came as ruler. So Narasimha Varma was the famous person or king in the time of Pallavas. Next they built Pancha Pandava Rathas. What they did? Built Pancha Pandava Rathas. So they are very very famous children. So these are the four kingdoms in South India and also two kingdoms in North India. Now children, I want to show you what are the related matter and pictures and maps in this lesson from the first page of this lesson. You come to the page number in this lesson 87 children. Now look at the temple how they built. Even today it is very famous. Now you go to the next page children. Then you can see in this next page our India. So the empire of Ashoka 2250 years ago. Look children, this is Takshashila, this is Pataliputra. Pataliputra was their capital. From Pataliputra he ruled the vast kingdom. Look the children, vast kingdom. Okay, from north to south. Look children, have you seen this one? So this is the kingdom of Ashoka. Ashoka was Mauryan king. Chandragupta, the founder of Mauryan kingdom. Ashoka was famous because he followed Dhamma. Dhamma means dharma. Okay children. Next you turn the page. So he laid many inscriptions. Ashoka's inscription in Prakrit script. So when we read this script, then we can understand how was the ruling of Ashoka, how he followed Dhamma, etc. Next children, I said about the main principles of Dhamma. So look at Ashoka's Dharma Chakra. What is this? Ashoka's Dharma Chakra. So be kind towards the animals, be obedient to father and mother, be kind towards the poor, respect the elders, never criticize other religions, work for the welfare of mankind. So these 5 principles are very very important so far. Next children, look at this line capital. So we can see in our Indian currency almost all notes, even coins. Okay children. So our Indian government accepted or adopted officially this one as national emblem on 26th January 1950 children. Very very important. Next you turn the next page children. Then you can find Gupta's empire. What it is? After fall of Mauryan empire, another great empire is in North India, Gupta empire. So that is the North India. Look at Gupta empire. Okay, they also ruled from Pataliputra. Where is Pataliputra? Look at this is. Look where I am pointing. So this is Pataliputra. From Pataliputra they ruled. Now Pataliputra is in Bihar. Patna is the capital of Bihar. It is the present name, but old name is Pataliputra. Are you understood? Okay. From Narmada river to north. This is Pataliputra. Okay children, now I already explained to you Navaratnas. Who are the Navaratnas here? Amar Simha, lexicographer, Dhanvantari, physician, Harisena, Sanskrit poet, Kalidasa, a poet and a play write in Sanskrit, Vitala Bhatta, magician, Kahapananka, astrologer, Sanku, architect, Varahamihira, astronomer, Vararuchi, mathematician and linguist. Now look at children, Aryabhatta. So our Indian government developed one satellite. They named that satellite as Aryabhatta in 1975 children. Okay. Now look at, I said Charaka. So he is a doctor on those days. Okay children. Next look at the gold coin of Gupta period. Next children, look at Acharya Nagarjuna. So now Nagarjuna University we know. Okay, this is the Ikshvaka period Vijaypuri. From Vijaypuri they started ruling children. Vijaypuri is the capital of Ikshvakas. It is on the bank of the river Krishna. Okay children, thank you.